Okay, perfect. Okay, so the application for to sponsor undertaking 1344. Do we have it here? Yeah. So this will be done. So PDF file of the completed and digitally signed original document must be uploaded. Fine. Financial information, if applicable, the co-signer. So let's see 1344 1283. Financial information if, about you and if applicable your co-signer. So let's say John is not married, so he doesn't have a co-signer. So he's not gonna do this. So we'll go through this form when we reach over there. Okay, will be completed by you. Generate an application, complete and signed by the person being sponsored. Okay. Additional form, this also we saw. Background declaration. Use of representative, we are not doing it. Copy of fee receipt, yeah, definitely. Statutory declaration of common law union. So this is not applicable in our case. So we'll leave it. Medical condition certificate to be completed if applicable. So we have this? Yes, it's required. Oops. So we will do this. Status. So let's say John is a permanent resident. I do this. Marriage certificate is sponsored has a co-signer who is the spouse. Okay. This is not applicable because he doesn't have 11 number. Number two, if the sponsor's personal partner is a co-signer, photocopy of there. So he doesn't have a co-signer, so not this one. If the sponsor had previous marriages or common relationship, photocopy of the following document. Previously, so let's say it's not applicable in John. Photocopy of the adoption letter if you're suppose sponsoring an adopted child, not applicable in this case. Supporting document. You and your co-signers last notice of assessment for most recent taxation year. Okay. If you are employed an original letter from, you must meet the minimum necessary income requirement for you and your sponsor. Sponsor. If applicable, your co-signer are not part. Okay. So what it says, oh, I did this. If you must meet the minimum income requirement and you and if applicable your co-signer are not producing, but here they are producing or are producing your last month's concern, but the total income and minimum dimension for the following. So it's not applicable for him because he is producing this. Okay. He's producing, let's say John has enough income and he's meeting the minimum criteria. Then he doesn't have to provide this. Okay. And now this is gonna go applicable. So he has got